Hi, Bob here with a Bob Does quick tip on how to troubleshoot and fix your furnace if the flame sensor goes bad. Now, what is typically characteristic of the flame sensor is that when the igniter ignites the burners, the flame sensor will sense that there's a flame there and everything is fine. Well, if one of those systems doesn't work, the flame sensor, for instance, is scorched and carbon and burn marks on it, it's not going to sense the flame, so it's going to automatically kick your furnace back off, like what's happening here in this clip. Well, here's your burners across here, and this wire right here is connected to your flame sensor. If you can see, that is right there. Now there's two 1/4 inch, looks like, bolts that we're going to unscrew to take them out. Well, we're going to make sure our power is off. I'm just hitting the switch here. That kills all power to the furnace. Alright, we'll go back in here with a 1/4 inch. Move these two bolts. Okay. Now if you can see this, it gets burns and scorch marks on it. We're just going to take a piece of steel wool and clean that off. Now steel wool comes in 7 different grades: quad O, triple O, double O, O, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go right in the middle with grade O here. And all you have to do, take your steel wool, go ahead and clean the burn and the scorch marks and carbon buildup off of your flame sensor. We'll stick it back in. It looks pretty clean. We'll stick it, maybe there's just a little bit more on the end here. Now you don't want to use steel wool that's like number 3 coarse, or you'll end up scratching this and it may damage. So you just want to take something light. Something mid-grade will work fine. And just put this back in. We'll kick our power switch back on. Make sure it fires up without cutting out this time. See, all our burners are working. There goes the van kicking in. Furnace is staying on. That's all there is to it. Well, that's a wrap on this Bob Does Quick Tip clip. If you found this helpful in your troubleshooting, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can find a variety of DIY tips and quick fixes. Until next time, see ya.